I did all and put electric cables in.
Oh, you're an engineer.
Civil engineer. What, on the electric? Underground or electric? Ah, right. All electric, innit? Don't matter if you're doing it to the toilet.
Some of those but I actually work with sick people, so I work with council.
Oh.
Blood cancer.
Yeah.
So I actually promote people.
You don't realise it, you know, until you zoom in.
Yeah.
Spain was the first export customer for the Harrier. They bought the AV8A model, following the AV8S. McDonnell, they delivered from 1976. They also had a couple of two-seaters, and they flew from the two Spanish Navy carriers, the McDonnell and the Príncipe Furia. Its first test flight was done in October 1960. That then led on through the pre-production Kestrel series on to Harrier, which was first delivered to the One Squadron RIAT in April 1969. The four-thrust vector nozzles on the Harrier can be orientated between 0 and 98 degrees. They're controlled manually by the pilot using a separate lever next to the throttle. And it's also got hot air controls on the nose, the tail, and the wingtip for better control at low air speeds, just like we see here.
Give me a slap, I swoop. Yeah, it'd be like a crab toss Marion head.
The Spanish Navy there with the EAV 18 from RIAT2024. We now return to the centenary of the Royal Canadian Air Force, and specifically the links between our Royal Air Force and the RIAT over its 100 years of history. That history forged both in war and peace.
But like, it was nice to see it, like.
We're going to be seeing the 9 Hawks of the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows, flying through with the CF-188, the 45 Tactical Fighter Squadron, Royal Canadian Air Force, that we saw displaying earlier, in tribute to this anniversary and our shared air power heritage. And the Red Arrows are going to be streaming red, white and red smoke in honour of our Canadian allies. And this they'll be doing when they undertake their own tour of Canada in support of the RIAT centenary later on in this